I caught that on camera. No, no way. That was a little scary. Whew. Anyway, we're gonna start today's video. We made it to Teggy's. That would have been horrible if it landed on the face and scratched him. But you saw yesterday's video. You'll know that we got the wheels mounted on the tires. And then today, we're not gonna quite mount them yet because Teggy said that he needs some time to coat them. So he wants them coated. So he said it's perfect timing. We're gonna have them off the car. We're just gonna coat them. And so they're gonna be ceramic coated and just, that'll be perfect. And then on top of that, the caps that they have are at the body shop right now being painted white to match this. But I was looking at his van, which by the way is still in pieces because he's still detailing the heck out of it. But let's see how these look on there. Imagine a K-van with those. Those things would look sick. But anyways, we're gonna get the car unloaded. We're gonna bring these inside, maybe mount one up to see what they look like before, you know, anything else. I also have to see if they'll fit in the front, so that's important. Otherwise, I might have to get a leveling kit. I really don't want to have to get a leveling kit. I thought about it. I think it'd be nice if you're watching this video and you produce leveling kits and you want to work with me. I'm not necessarily saying I want it for free, but I think it'd be cool if you could collaborate with the project, so maybe hook it up with a discount, and we can mention you obviously with the project. And if you have stickers, it'll go on the truck, because Teggy stickers going on there, Dad Bod Garage stickers going on there, Mendy's import stickers going on there. So whoever collaborated in this build will have a sticker on there or some sort of mention on there. So if you have anything for an Acty that you want to collaborate with and put your product out there, to push it out to more people, not that I'm saying I have millions of followers, but Nick has a good following and he's going to put it up on his videos, reach out, because we'll work with you to do that. Maybe you can hook it up with the discount, hook up with some cool parts. But anyways, we're gonna get the car unloaded, talk less, and start going with Project Acty. So the common thing that's always missing here at Teggy's is the 10 mil. So if you saw this, I bought this at Tractor Supply, and it's got a 10 in various sizes and swivels. This is going to Teggy. How locked in he is.
What we got?
You're always missing 10s, so.
Is this an assortment of 10s?
Yeah.
Did you see my emergency 10?
Oh yeah, I did see the emergency 10.
So
I actually have to show.
With the emergency 10.
Well, you could open it and now you could add it.
I'm afraid. I just want to. You should just leave this up here. Oh, that's actually way too heavy.
I love that emergency, but this is cool though, because
you see my tip? That was a tip from a customer.
Oh, the Yu-Gi-Oh card?
Pokemon
card.
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah.
So how much I?
We gotta put this on here.
Look right here.
I gotta like stamp it somewhere. Nah. Oh, does that work? Nah. Yeah. I should get a nail, just.
Right.
You know.
One of the things we had powder coated too were the arms. Have no fear, we're gonna put new wipers, but for now, I didn't want the arms to be on there without any blades. So we're setting them so they're nice and straight. Then I'm gonna tighten these up. And then as you saw in the last video, the sides. I'll probably put them together, put that on, and then show you what they look like. For now, we'll tighten these guys up. Subtle touches like this really make a difference. Because you would see like faded ones, or you could see nice powder coated ones. Also, see where that's gone? I have to check. I wonder if these are directional tires. They don't look it, but they do at the same time. No, it doesn't look like it. What do you guys think? White on the lettering or no white? It's painted with a color marker or no? So we won't put them on yet, but that's what it's gonna look like, which is gonna be really cool to see. And we'll put the rack on here as well, and you'll see that. So I'll prep the rack with the light bar, because the light bar brackets that are chrome got painted as well, but this came out absolutely beautiful. updating because we remasked it. We have a whole new can this time. I'm actually mixing it a little bit better to try and get the little grain that's in the bottom. You see, I can actually touch it. The one that I had before was Nick's old one. Make sure if you get this, look at the date. If it's sat for too long, see how it clumps up? Now you just gotta mix that clump into the actual physical paint. I kind of wish I had like a paint mixer thing, because I think if I had a paint mixer thing, it would mix really nicely and I would have all the little speckles up top. So, but I think it's mixed pretty well for the most part. So I'm gonna get to it and try and set you up on one of the tripods and let it time lapse. Alright, so here's the other update. It's recoated, and now you don't see white. You just see black. And then you obviously see the little grains, and with the paint that still needs to adhere to it. But looking much better than it did before. Not only that, but the sides look like $1,000,000. The insides, I feel like most people miss those. Really touch those up. Same thing over here. Just trying to keep attention to detail when it comes to Project Acty. But yeah, we might have to test fit some of the wheels today just to see if it'll work. And then I forgot to add, we had a 35% tint. It had mirror tint in the back. Got rid of that and put the tint in the front. 2 glass, like passenger and driver, and then the rear glass. So I'll wait for it to be a little bit more quiet. So this is probably where I'll close the video today, letting this dry. But we're gonna start a video on this because I'm getting this thing washed, because that's going up on Cars and Bids. So we got the town box cleaned up, second coat on this. We'll have to come back and clean off some parts that can only do so much, but that line, so much better. And no white, which is really good, except that little bit right there, which is gonna drive me nuts now that I saw it, but it is what it is. Sometimes you can't get it all, but it looks so much better. We're gonna let this dry up, and then we also have the wheels for it that eventually will go on, but they gotta get coated first. I didn't get a chance to put these on to test to see if they would rub or not, and maybe I should have in retrospect, because if they do, I'll need to get freaking like the leveling kit. I think they'll be okay in the rear. It's the front side I worry a little bit about, but other people run them. They do run them with a lift kit, but only time will tell. Things looking clean.